A muscle car is not just about speed. It is a statement of power, design, and engineering excellence. The 1968 Mustang GT 2+2 Fastback Cobra Jet stands as one of the most legendary Mustangs ever built. A machine that defined an era of high-performance American muscle cars. Designed to deliver unrelenting power and an aggressive stance, this model has continued to be admired by enthusiasts and collectors alike. The introduction of the 428 Cobra Jet engine in 1968 transformed the Mustang GT Fastback into a true performance beast. This engine was developed to compete with the most powerful muscle cars of the time, offering incredible horsepower and torque. A factory rating of 335 horsepower was given, but real-world tests proved that the actual output was significantly higher, making it one of the fastest Mustangs of its generation. The combination of a robust suspension, upgraded drivetrain, and improved aerodynamics ensured that performance was maximized on both the street and the track. Modifications throughout 1968 focused on enhancing both performance and aesthetics. Functional ram air induction was added to increase airflow, while a strengthened rear axle and revised shock absorbers improved handling. Exterior styling featured bold GT badging, hood scoops, and aggressive racing stripes, setting it apart from standard Mustangs. The Fastback design not only contributed to its striking appearance but also improved aerodynamics, making it a dominant force on the road. Inside, a balance of sportiness and comfort was maintained. High-quality materials, bucket seats, and a driver-oriented cockpit provided a premium feel. The dashboard was equipped with a performance gauge cluster, offering critical driving information at a glance. Optional wood grain trim, center consoles, and upgraded audio systems were made available, allowing customization to suit individual preferences. The Mustang GT Cobra Jet quickly earned a reputation for dominating quarter-mile races, often outperforming more expensive competitors. Its legacy has continued to grow, making it one of the most collectible Mustangs in history. Depending on condition and originality, prices for well-maintained models have reached well into six figures, with rare versions commanding even higher premiums at auctions. Even decades later, the 1968 Mustang GT 2+2 Fastback Cobra Jet remains a symbol of raw American muscle. Its aggressive styling, unmatched power, and racing pedigree have solidified its place as an automotive icon. The roar of its engine and the thrill of its acceleration continue to captivate enthusiasts, proving that legends never fade. They only become more valuable with time.